You all guys are here. टाइम निकाल करके कोई कहीं बिजी था, कोई कहीं बिजी था, सब ने वक्त निकाला सिर्फ हमारे लिए. Thank you so much. I would like to thanks मेरे परम पूज्य पिताजी. He never doubted on me. He never doubted on my decisions. I would like to thanks मेरे गुरुजन. आज मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था बट मेरे गुरुदेव यहाँ पे हैं जिन्होंने मुझे इतने से लेकर के स्कूलिंग कंप्लीट करने तक देखा. मेरे प्रिय गुरुजी बाबूलाल जी यहाँ पे हैं जिन्होंने मेरी पूरी स्कूल लाइफ बाल खींचे सिर्फ इस वजह से कि मैं बाल कटवाना पसंद नहीं करता था. अनंताराम जी, I'll जितना बोलूं उतना कम. थैंक यू सो मच कि आपने एक मुझ जैसे इंसान के लिए अपना वक्त निकाला और इतना लंबा ट्रैवल करके आप यहाँ तक आए. थैंक यू सो मच. I really want to say thank you from left ventricle of my heart. Thank you so much. From here, all my friends. लोगों को मजाक लगता था लेकिन दोस्तों को नहीं, क्योंकि जो सच्चे दोस्त वही होते हैं जो तुम्हारे साथ खड़े होते हैं ऊल जुलूल आइडियाज़ में. और कुछ मेरे दोस्त यहाँ बैठे हैं जिन लोगों को हमेशा लगता था यार क्या मस्ती मार रहा है तू, वीडियो बनाता है, वीडियो बनाने से कंपनी थोड़ी बनती है. हाँ मुझे पता है वीडियो बनाने से कंपनी नहीं बनती, बट कंपनी कैसे बनती है मुझे ये भी पता है. सो आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हाउ हॉस्कॉट बॉर्न. Hoscott born from the broken back of Dr. Sunil Godara. I broke my back on 8th of March 2024. I met into an accident and it was L1 compressed fracture. I didn't know about it. I was misdiagnosed where I went first. It was a pretty good hospital. I would not like to name it. But I was misdiagnosed and they told me that it's just a muscular injury. Then I took flight from there and I came to Delhi, and that time I used to work in Jaipur Golden Hospital, New Delhi, Rohini. I went for MRI, and the second the technician came out, he said, "Sir, done." Allah hua kya? He handed over me the reports, and I saw that my L1 vertebra was almost gone. Some of the fragments were penetrating spinal cord. I was about to get paralyzed. Thank God. Thanks to all the blessings which I had in my life, I'm still standing on my feet. So that day I went for surgery. Next day, for sure not that day, but yeah. The surgeon was my senior. I'll give credit him too. He is Manoj Sharma, one of the India's finest spine surgeon, experienced 45 years, and pioneer of the pedicle screw implantation and many more surgeries in India. So after surgery, before surgery even, he told me, "Sunil, don't worry, I will not charge anything from you." I used to work in Jaipur Golden Hospital and I got operated in Jaipur Golden Hospital. That's why I didn't have to pay anything to the hospital too. But still, after the completion of the surgery, and at the time of discharge, I still remember that day. It was 15th of March 2024. They handed over me a bill of 3 lakh rupees. I was surprised, amazed, shocked, speechless, because I did not have 3 lakh rupees in my pocket to pay them. Anyhow, we managed it. And after that, I was lying on bed for next 3 months, and the only question I had in my brain, why this surgery was that expensive? If surgeons don't charge anything, if hospital don't charge anything, then what was the cost? Cost was for the pedicle screws and the disposable items. I paid 35,000 rupees just for the disposable items which they used while surgery, after surgery, pre-surgery. And I was hopeless at that point of time that this much of money is going just into that. Then I discussed with one of my favorite buddy, Dr. Purvi. Like what we can do, how, if I'm in Delhi, it's a capital of India, and even in capital of India, if this is the situation, then what would be the situation on the last mile of India? And we figured out it's way more worse than we can imagine. Things which cost 16 rupees. I'm talking about catheter. Hospitals, clinics, or I would say even chronic care patients, they get it at the price of 350 rupees. So can you imagine the good which is manufactured at the cost of 16 rupees and it's sold at 350 rupees? I don't want it. I want every single person should get it in a feasible price. And that's how Huskart born. Huskart born with one aim. And the aim was simple. Goods which are manufactured in India should go directly from factory to hospital. And goods which are not manufactured in India should go from port to hospital. Whoever is bringing it inside the Indian borders, they should be directly supplying it to the hospitals. Not all the middlemen. I want to get rid of bicholias. And that's why Huskart exists today. मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ. Belong from pretty good family. I can afford that surgery of 3 lakh rupees. But why to pay 3 lakh rupees when I can get those same pedicle screw implantation done in 40,000 rupees? That was the reason. The day this idea came in my brain, I was bedridden. So I had only one source. The most intelligent buddy in the world, that's the internet. I went to internet, started figuring out what I can do. Is it only into the implants or in the rest of the equipments too, what your hospitals are using? And I figured out, yes, it's not only the implants. It's everything that hospital use. It comes from 3, 4, 5 steps. Mostly, manufacturing facilities sell their goods to the stockists because they buy at bulk. And manufacturing facilities want to get rid of what they have manufactured as soon as possible. From stockist, it goes to wholesaler, distributor, retailer, then it reaches to the hospitals. But after Huskart, what will happen? Every hospital would be able to source directly everything from the manufacturing facilities. So this is how Huskart was born. And when I started talking about it from the people to whom I really used to admire, with whom I used to play cricket, those doctors, I used to play cricket for the Delhi Medical Association cricket team. So those doctors, they were running hospitals from the many years, I would say even from the decades. When I discussed these things with him, they said, Sunil, this is a nice idea, but would you able to pull this off? Because every manufacturing facilities, mostly those manufacturing facilities who are big enough or who have name in the market, they already have their distribution network. So they will not sell you their products. They will sell it through their distribution network. They don't want to kill their monopoly. I said, yes, I understood it. Then I went to factories, many factories, and I figured out not every factory holds the monopoly in the Indian market. So what about those factories which are newly stabilized and still producing the pretty good quality? What about them? Why not? I started targeting those manufacturing facilities who got the reputation in recent years. And yes, they welcomed my idea open-handedly. Then I was in Dharm Sankat because many manufacturing facilities, either they were on the name of someone else, company which is producing stuff, they were someone else. It's almost white labeling was going everywhere. She is holding a company, manufacturing facility, she give me a lease license, she produce goods for me on my name, and I'm selling it as I'm a manufacturer. No, I don't want even that. What I want, if you hold a manufacturing facility, we will visit the manufacturing facility first. Once we confirm that yes, this is your manufacturing facility, you hold all the right registrations, you got the pretty good quality of the stuff, then only we will let them on board on the hospcard.com. So yes, हमारे आदरणीय आनंद जी ने एक सवाल पूछा था कि how you gonna assure the quality? I'm gonna assure the quality by 3 steps. Not every manufacturing facility is able to sell on Hospcard. Only those manufacturing facility would be able to sell on Hospcard to whom Hospcard approve. Till now we got 600 plus factory reach. Out of all of them, we onboarded only 103 manufacturing facility as of now in my knowledge. Maybe team have onboarded 1 or 2 more, I don't know about them. But yes, 103 was the last number which I saw. So not every manufacturing facility would be on Hospcard. Only those manufacturing facility who have accompanied their name or who have that quality which I can personally believe only would be on Hospcard. And at the same time, lot of new innovations are there. Nobody focus on them because being a distributor of new innovation is always risky. Nobody want to promote a new innovation. People want to promote what they can, whatever can give them maximum margin. People are not running for the innovation. People are not running for the something new. People are not running for the changes in the society. Or people are even not running for the something that make human life easier. People are running behind money, and I'm not. Why I'm telling I'm not? Because almost 90 days back I took a challenge and I said to the world openly, yes, I know time is always ticking, but it's ticking louder than ever before when it's ticking in public. And I announced it openly that yes, I would be building $1 million health tech startup in India in 90 days. And here we are today. On this journey, there were a lot of steps. So I was talking about that, I challenged openly on Instagram that yes, I would be building $1 million health tech company in 90 days. And on this journey, even before completing 90 days, we got many offers. People tried to buy us. We are nothing. We are an egg. Or I would say we are not even the prepared egg yet. But people are still trying to buy us. Why? Because they see the potential in the Hospcard. They see the potential in the process. They see potential in the team. And I hope you people see that too. But I'm not here to brag all of those things. I'm just here to inform you that we started this with one simple mission. Hospitals की जो problem है वो दूर करेंगे. And to eliminate all the problems, we had to find out what are the exact problems, what are the pain points that hospitals are facing. So before building this startup, I have gone through some educations, and education particularly how to build a startup. In that process, I learned that every startup has some steps. It starts from problem identifications, what are the real pain points, confirming those pain points from the real users. Then idea, what are the solutions? From the pain point validation to solution validation to building an MVP, and then finally we are here today launching hospcard.com. So what was the pain points which we saw, and we get it approved from our fellow doctors and the hospital owners who were in touch. First, they have to compare multiple vendors every time they want to place an order. Because today somebody gave you price of 7 rupees for a cannula and tomorrow they will raise it to the 9 rupees and you will not even get to know. because every time a hospital can't check at what pricing they are buying. So it was a masked thing. It was not clear, never. Second problem what they were facing, that inconsistent supply or inconsistent quality of supply. And the third thing which we were talking, everybody was talking, that was multi-layered supply chain. I decided to eliminate all of them and build something that is sustainable, trustable, and scalable. So we are here with HostGuard. There is a lot of things, many listings are still in the process of review, because as per I told you, I will not let anybody on board if they don't comply with compliances of HostGuard.com. So still a lot of products and lot of prices are still not uploaded, but they will be coming soon. Right now we have 2,000 plus products requested to be live, but we have not made them live yet, because I want to make sure the quality first. Once we confirm the quality, we will put the price and every detail of those products on HostGuard. So you can directly access HostGuard from there. Yeah, nothing, anything else? Yes, one more thing I wanted to say, like till now, what we have done in those 90 days or before launch, I'll say, because this is the day of launch. As per I told you, people are still trying to bribe us or buy us, but we are not interested in that. We are here not for the $1 million company, we are here for the multi-million dollar company. I want to reshape the healthcare procurement process. I'm not here to make money. I'm here to let everyone make money. And I was talking about, Tarun sir was talking about HostGuard partnership program, affiliate program, what it is. If you don't know, I want to make it clear. I can go for Instagram influencers and promote my application in one day. The amount, the cost which I am giving to my partners, because I'm not calling anyone affiliate, I'm calling them HostGuard partners. Why they are partners? Because they will be receiving a pie of HostGuard. One pie of HostGuard, every single partner would be receiving it. And how it works? You would be promoting your part of HostGuard. You would be receiving a promo code, a QR code, and an affiliate link. You can promote that link, that promo code, that QR code wherever you want, on your Facebook stories, from the Instagram stories. If you are doing that, and from doing that, if anybody sign up on HostGuard, any hospital, any clinic, any healthcare facility, no matter it's lab or whatever it is, once they sign up on HostGuard, they give their GST number to us. Once they give their GST number to us, they can sign up only once. So, from whose referral the sign up has came, that person would be benefited for next 1,825 days from the day of sign up. Whatever their hospital or other healthcare facility would be purchasing, we would be incentivizing 1% to you. I'm not telling you to sell anything for HostGuard, because HostGuard don't want to sell anything. HostGuard just need to be promoted. HostGuard लोगों की आंखों तक जाना चाहिए, मेरा सिर्फ इतना मिशन है. And for that, I don't want to hire an Instagram influencer or anyone else. I want my doctor friends or the friends who belong to the healthcare facilities. They should be benefited out of it. You must be working in any healthcare facility. Just ask them once, can you sign up on this platform and check the pricing? The price is the key point here, because as per I told you in the beginning, if you procure everything from the HostGuard.com, you can save up to 20% in your procurement process yearly. And that's a big number. Everybody wants to save it. What they are saving, the 20%, 1% out of it goes to your pocket. Why? Because you have done the publicity of HostGuard.com, and you are not publishing completely HostGuard.com. You are not doing the publicity for the HostGuard.com. You are doing the publicity for your part of HostGuard.com. Because that's your affiliate link what you are promoting, that's your QR code, that's your barcode, that's your promo code what you would be promoting. It's not completehospitard.com. Just promote the link. Yeah, that is the affiliate partner. Right now, I'm not the alone here, or I'm not standing here with 10 people team. We have more than 28 verified and 40, oh sorry, I misnumbered it. It's 40 plus partners across India. Many of them are not here and some of them are here because traveling is cost effective. It's not cost effective, I'm sorry, slip of tongue. That's the reason why we got these live cameras on, because they are attending this webinar, or you can say it's a seminar, whatever it is. It might be a seminar for you, but it would be a webinar for them. They are attending it online, they are learning about HospCard online, and they are ready to fire from the day first. Till now we got 90 plus pre-bookings. We have got almost 100 plus manufacturing facilities onboarded, 2000 plus types of products, and a team of 40 plus people who are here to revolutionize the healthcare procurement process. I would like to say that this is not something, another illusionary thing. This is in the existence. We have done the pilot projects, we have validated our MVP, and then we are launching this HospCard. So thank you all. Whoever is interested about knowing more, please stay here after the event so we can discuss further things. We would be doing some gossips here. I'm not a particularly gossip person, but yes, if you will ask me anything, it would be about HospCard. From last almost 3 months, or I'll say 4 months, I'm breathing HospCard, I'm eating HospCard, I'm sleeping with HospCard. Everything is HospCard for me. If you will come and talk to me, even the gossip would be HospCard, because I don't have any other topic to do the gossip. Because of that, many of my friends feel like I make them bored. Yes, it might be possible because I don't have any other topic. I can't do anything, man. In my brain, there's only one thing, that's the HospCard, because I want to bring this revolution. I can't do gossip. I'm here for a purpose. I want to serve the last mile of India. No matter it's a Pakistan border in Barmer, or it's Kanyakumari, or it's somewhere in the Srinagar, or above that. I want to serve every last mile. Currently, we have partnered with our logistic partners. They cater 17,000 pin codes across India. So, I can proudly say that we are capable of catering 17,000 pin codes across India. Some of our verified partners and their logos, they are reflecting here. Here are some of, like, not all of them, but many of them are there, and my doctor friends must have seen those companies or goods from those companies in their OPDs, IPDs and OTs. So, I'll summarize everything here, that HospCard is open for everything. However you want to support HospCard, however you want to grow with HospCard, HospCard is open for everything. If you got the cash in your pocket, let's keep it simple. I don't want to keep it as a puzzle. If you got cash in your pocket and you want to invest in HospCard, HospCard is open for that. If you don't have cash and still want to grow with HospCard, join HospCard Partnership Program. If you don't want to go into the hospitals and still want to generate a passive source of income, HospCard is open for that. Just put it on Instagram stories, WhatsApp stories. Get yourself an affiliate link first. Use that link as much as possible. And let your fellow doctors, hospital owners know about HospCard. I don't want you to sell anything. I don't want any of you to be a salesperson for HospCard. No, you are not salesperson. You are a partner in HospCard. Okay? I don't want any of anybody call you a salesperson. Marathon here, okay? After serving every single mile of India, what I'm planning, that I want to double down on the medical equipments export from India. I want to put all of those manufacturing facilities, particularly these manufacturing facilities who onboarded with me. I want to put every single product of these manufacturing facility on the global level. And I'm committed here, and I'm promising you all, in 2026, month of August, 18th of August, standing on the same platform or might be better than this, I will announce global version of Hospart. It's a marathon. It's not a sprint. What you have seen on Instagram, that was a sprint. It was only 900 meter covered. It's a 50-kilometer sprint. Long way to go. And for that, I need all of your support. Thank you all. I'll summarize my words here only. Thank you.